Hello guys and girls, this is FrenchKey, and in this video I will pick a disc tumbler padlock from the brand LIEB'AO or LIEB'DO. Top security, square shape, looks almost decent. I will use a SilverBullet tool with a rear tensioner and a front feeler. So like I like to do, first I will turn all the discs to the right and then I start my picking. So I put the tool all the way in. Okay, so in this configuration I will tension with the back part and pick with the middle part. So here I am against the tensioner all the way to the back, and I can already feel that I am exactly on one disc. So I will turn to the left until I feel, so this is very scratchy, it's binding a lot. Okay, I don't feel any gate, so I might have missed it. Okay, so actually the gate is at 6, so I can mark it here that my first disc here is a 6. I move to the next disc, I do the same. Okay, could be that I am still on the same disc. Actually, I didn't move enough, didn't check here, so my bad. Okay, so this one is binding. Okay, no, I slipped away. Oh, I have a pretty big gate between 2 and almost 4, so let's call it a 3. Go to the next disc. Okay, so it's very scratchy, it's binding a lot. You can feel all the bad manufacturing in it. It's almost like sandpaper in it. So okay, here it releases somewhere between 3 and 2. So no false gate so far, and I don't expect to have any false gate. The next disc. Okay. Scratchy. Okay, so I didn't feel anything, so it could be that it was actually at 6. Oops. Come on. So let's try again this one. Yeah, okay, so yeah, I have some play here, obviously. Go to the next one. Okay, and just before I forget, I say here was a 6. I try this one. Okay, so here also the gate at 5. Next one. Oh, it's open. So I can feel it's open obviously because the tensioner is turning further now, and I can just check my code here. So this is code number 3, and then I add code of my key. I can fully turn the tensioner, and now I can open. And if I lock it again to the left, this is locked. I can take my tool out, and this is done. Thank you for watching. This was FrenchKey picking a square LIEB'AO Top Security padlock.